everybody! Welcome back to my new vlog. Ciao a tutti, buongiorno. Benvenuti il mio video. So, today's video is my last family bonding, which is my mom and dad and my youngest brother for today. Because this week, it's our last here on the province of San Remio. So we're gonna be going to swimming today, which is the same place we've been to my hubby and I bring my family. So the problem is the sea is a lot high, so we need to go to the swimming pool, which is in Sandren. So I'm excited, so I'm gonna be family bonding with my parents together, my husband. So they're gonna be also feel that they also swimming on the pool, on the swimming pool. So thank you for watching. We're gonna be pick up with them. See you. Hello guys,
hello.
Good morning. My mama is here. We're gonna be going swimming.
Mas magyud ako na lang
And
usab.
my youngest brother.
Ako nang usab. Char.
We pick up my parents, go swimming. My dad so slow walking. That's my dad. Very
The
slow
swimming
walking.
of the Lamakan. I'm go to the beach of Lamakan.
So today's video is just for family bonding, like my parents and my youngest brother. Because my old brothers live in Cebu City.
Live in Cebu City.
So only my youngest brother here. So
Because-
this is the place where they are.
Because I am the slave.
Now my dad is walking slowly because he's stroke on his left arms and left legs. My dad is stroke.
Left legs and left arms.
So slow so slow to walk. So my brother is here. Dala na sa sisi yung bugat nga bato, hastang kaya sa sangan dyan yung papadala-dala naman sa nisiya.
Ay kabala ka pa kay na-oris back mo ba?
These guys were my parents staying sa province. Look, my brother and my papa is so slow. Look, this is the place we are. There we are. So many coconut here. So this is a countryside of San Rim. So let's go. Yeah, my dog, the two dogs of my parents, my mama, following. Look, two dogs.
You try to self-defense?
Muli na na, oy. Muli na na, di na masunod. Dalawa, the dog is climbing. Want to joining.
Your grandfather to, you know how to swim.
Hello guys, now we are here on the car, but I cannot show you because I have my baby, not possible to show you. My parents is here beside me together with my baby and my youngest brother. And my dad is on the front sitting down beside my husband. So yeah, we are excited holding to go swimming. That's my mama. I'm not sure you my baby because not allowed. Now we're going to the pool. So many things carrying. We're going to the pool now. Just paid the entrance here. So yeah, let's see. Let's see. That's my papa walking so slow, my papa. Easy ba ni papa? Unsa man yung gikon-kon niya pa? Nagobot. Nil tabangi sa si Papa Nil.
Nalingaw ko ng nak ay.
Na, akong brother. Ligo na kay tatong tistingan ng kwan. Wala kay Brahma? Naka extra braga dala? Nana na yung suton? Hi. Hello guys, we just finished swimming but we're going back swimming again after lunch. So now we're going lunch with my family, my youngest brother, my mom is there, and my dad,
Now,
and my husband is here beside me. So, I tried to slide but I'm scared. What do you think, Amore?
Is this the one of the moment is greeting?
no comment.
Your mom
No
is
comment.
shouting.
I tried to slide. I'm supposed to be doing
Your
slide.
mom is trying to slide, but she's
But
shouting.
I'm stuck on the top. I never heard those slide now. Even though the pool is not deep. But I'm scared to slide again. This is the pool of San Remio Beach Club. We are here for my family bonding. My mom and dad and my youngest brother. That's my mom. And my dad. This is my dad. So slow walking. Naitom naman ka pa. Then my youngest brother is there and my husband is there. Amor, you can go na, Amore. You can go. We follow na lang. My youngest brother and my husband going to the restaurant na. Unsa na ngalan nga buwak ma?
Snake plant.
Snake plant. Ha?
Snake plant.
Ha, snake plant? Mo din snake plant.
Buwak.
Oh.
Asa ko ana? Asa ka ang kakaan eh?
Ha?
Kaka ba? Na may dakong balay.
Dara, kakay. Kaka. Tara, kaka.
Iyar man ang balay. Balay sa kaka na.
Kaka na, atik-atik ragun na god.
Nabihag sa pag.
Moni ang San Remio Beach Club. This is the San Remio Beach Club. And this is the another if you want to do like venue, outdoor venue. Possible to do outdoor venue. Dagan kay mga trabahante. There's a lot of workers. Wala ako kasuway to. Mama, na-enjoy ka ma? Na-enjoy ra ka?
Okay, enjoy kayo.
Eh, kay kinsa pa nga bag? Nilil. Sa suludan na.
Ako, wado ko ma-enjoy. Outdoor.
Papa eh.
Cellphone.
Ah, cellphone gamay.
Wow, kita. Pinasok.
That's the entrance gate. Dala akong husband, nagulat na. They're waiting na.
Una lang mo today.
The sign, Cafe Gloria, Ambassador Suites, Tower 2 and Tower 1. The sign, and this is the information desk. And we're going to restaurant. We're going to the restaurant. Yeah. There you go. Take me home. Country roads. Oh, la mama. Take me home. Country road. Ay, kilalan kag helicopter pa? Ah, sakay ka ni pa?
Pasakay service? May nag-parking service ba?
Wow. There's so many service here. Look. My dad is so slow walking. Pubiro dad. We're waiting. This is our food. Budul-budul na siya. Budul-budul. Bueno. Sabaw. Nilat ang manok. Hello guys! Now we are done eating lunch. Budol lunch. That's my mama. Papa, my youngest brother. That's my mama at the back and Papa, Nil. We're gonna going to basketball. We love basketball. This is for the baby area. Arita diri, basketball ta, basketball. So we are very full. Very full eating lunch here. So many foods that we eat. We take out also for the baby. But look, the sea, it's a low tide. The sea is a low tide. So we come back here, Mama, Papa, and my youngest brother, and I, and my husband, and my baby. So we're gonna be doing a shut the bull. Look, the sea, it's low tide. Not good, the low tide. The sea. Look, the sea. Super low tide. Look. Very low tide. I don't know if you can see it here. Low tide, no high tide. People doing fishing there. Fishing. So, super low tide.